Gary is officially retired again.
Yay, yay!
And it's time to start doing some renovations and improvements on our tiny home. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlean.
I'm Gary, and this is Roads of Faith.
Yes, and so, what's it like? How's it feel?
Ah. How do you spell relief?
Yeah.
Retired.
The installation went really well on Sunday, and there were quite a few. I think we figured there were 12 pastors here, and at least 9 or 10 of them. 10 took
really
took
good turnout,
part.
lots of visitors.
Yeah.
And plenty of good food.
Lots of food. Yes, It was wonderful. It was a very, very special day. So now we have time to do some improvements, and there's a lot of things we want to do.
Yes, we do.
So I'm going to show you around and just show you all the things that we're going to plan on doing here. First of all, we've talked about the valances before. If you've seen our other vlogs, you know that we took down the one valance from here. We haven't replaced it yet, as you can tell. We were able to see what they looked like. This is what they looked like before. And here's the other one over here. So we're going to be taking the valances all off because we found out by taking the fabric off of that one over there that Gary said it's not worth doing anything with it.
It's all particle board.
All particle board. But there are some people that will take those particle board things and they will take the particle board structure and they will cover it with a different fabric, a more modern looking fabric without the padding in it, and that looks really great. But I couldn't make up my mind what fabric to do, what print, and then
it costs more money.
It costs more money, yeah. And it also is still a problem of having a fabric that has to be cleaned. So we scratched that idea. Then another idea is to take and drill holes into an RV, which some people do, but it's not the same as doing it in a house. And then they will put curtain rods up. Again, price and fabric. So we scratched that idea. Some people do it. It looks great. So then a third idea was that some people will take command strips, the kind with the hook on it, and they will put them on the wall. There's nothing marked up or anything, no drills, no nothing. And then they will put a rod across. And that's an easy fix because the idea that I came up with was instead of buying a rod, just buy the command strips and then do wood sticks that I find out in the yard.
Sure.
Because our host cut down a bunch of trees and there's a lot of sticks. And I'm sure we could have found something like that. But then again,
fabric.
For curtains.
Yeah. And
command strips aren't real. I mean, the command hook ones are not cheap.
Or
and
pretty.
To do all the windows, that would be a lot.
Pretty is important.
Pretty is important. So what we decided to do is with that free wood that we found, that was truly a gift. And that's in the same vlog as the one where we take the valance apart. So if you haven't seen that one, you can, and you don't know what free wood we're talking about, you'll just have to watch the vlog to find out. Anyway, Gary thinks if we sand that down and then we're going to paint it. We're going to paint them.
We're going to make it look really nice.
It's going to be pretty.
Yes, we will have such fun doing that.
It's going to be, we got shadows coming across us now. The sun is going down and we got the this is a great video. Okay. So what we're going to do is paint them a creamy white. A nice, warm, creamy white. I picked out the paint, so that was my part. But I will probably paint them too.
Well, she'll take pictures of me painting.
Maybe. Something. One of us has to hold the camera.
So if you're really looking forward to something exciting to see,
yeah,
you can watch me paint.
So those are alternatives you can do if you want to take the valances down and you want to do something different. We've given you some ideas and we're telling you what we're going to do. And I think it'll look really nice. We're using a semi-gloss, no, a satin finish, so it'll look it'll look pretty. Okay, the other thing that we're going to change is a door. There's actually 2 doors that we're going to be changing. It's getting a little dark in here. It's getting towards the end of the day, and we should have done this earlier in the day. It's been bothering me since we moved in that this nice wall is along here next to the white door and everything, and then you have these 2 brown doors, and that's really been bothering me. So we're going to paint that one. You can be Van on point to it. We're gonna paint that door the same creamy white and the door frame. And then we have another plan for this door, which some people would want to keep it there for privacy and everything, but we really haven't used it. It's been in the way. Gary took the doorknob off, as you can see, because we were always bumping into it and everything. So we're going to take that off, and we'll show you some more reasons why when we do that vlog later on. But for now, that door is going to be painted. The valances are going to be taken down, rebuilt with the new wood. That's going to be painted. And then the bench seats are going to be another story. And we're going to talk more about that at the time of why we can't take the dinette out like a lot of people do. There's several reasons we can't. But we do have plans on how to remake them. How we're going to remake them, right?
Yes, we are.
So with that free wood we found, that was such a gift.
I'm so excited.
So anyway, we've got some things to do. We have really less than 2 weeks. We actually have technically 3 weeks before we leave. But we want to have some sightseeing time, some downtime, some fun time before we
And
get on the
there's
road.
Holy Week coming up, and
Yep.
that'll take a few extra days.
Yep. So
it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. Stay tuned.
yeah, things are going to be changing over here. So yeah, keep coming back, and we'll show you how he's doing it and how he's building things and what the plans are for the dinette and all that stuff. So
Unless it doesn't go well, in which case we'll just tell you what we did. No? It'll go well.
keep watching. Thanks. Bye.
Bless you all.